In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to tag teammates in Slack, a great way to ensure your messages grab the attention of your colleagues. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. Let's dive right in. Tagging teammates in Slack is a simple process, but can be incredibly effective in streamlining communication in your workspace. We all know that sometimes messages can get lost in the shuffle, especially in busy channels, which is why tagging is so important. So, when you're typing out your message in a Slack channel, start by typing the @ symbol. This little @ symbol is your gateway to connecting with others directly. It signifies that you want to mention someone. Next, right after the @ symbol, begin typing your teammate's name. As you start typing, a pop-up list will appear, showing you potential matches from your team. It's a handy feature because it helps you find the correct person fast, especially if you're not entirely sure how to spell their name. When you see their name in the list, go ahead and select their profile. By doing this, you tag them in the message. You'll notice that their name will appear highlighted in the conversation, so it stands out, making it clear that you're specifically addressing them. Now, if you need to get the attention of multiple people in that same message, don't hesitate. You can easily type the @ symbol again and repeat the process for as many users as you need. This can be really useful in team discussions where several inputs are valuable. Just remember, anyone you tag in your message will receive a notification. This means they will be alerted that they've been mentioned and should check out the conversation. It's a great way to make sure that your teammates don't miss what you're saying, especially if their attention is scattered across various discussions. Let me share a little tip. You can also use tagging to create focused conversations or to call out specific people for their input during meetings or brainstorming sessions. It helps to clarify who you're waiting for a reply from, thus speeding up discussions and decisions. Once your message is sent and tagged, keep an eye out for those notifications. The people you tagged will see a badge next to the conversation, which acts like a friendly nudge. This visual cue is particularly helpful in busy channels where multiple conversations are happening at once. In summary, tagging teammates in Slack using the @ symbol is straightforward and incredibly beneficial for ensuring clear communication. It enhances collaborative efforts and keeps everyone in the loop. So next time you send a message, remember to leverage this fantastic feature to foster teamwork and engagement. That's all for today's video on how to tag teammates in Slack. I hope you found these tips helpful. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to drop a comment below, and don't forget to subscribe and like